Good morning, students. Now we will see the example 13 here. That what is given here, that example 13 is prove that sec A in a bracket 1 minus sine A sec A plus 10A equals to 1. Now we have to prove it here. Students, be clear, whatever we are proving it, if we want to prove a 1 here, so all the terms first, if you are solving any of this proof, you can, if you are not knowing any of the identity, you think that okay, I forget the thing, so what you have to do, you have to convert all the terms in some term of sine and cos. Here it is given sec a and tan a. We are knowing sec a is 1 upon cos, right? Same tan a we are knowing sine upon cos. If you are not remembering, then write down first before starting the proof. Write down at the side in your question paper or answer paper that you have to write down the identities, then you can use it easily. Now it is given sec a 1 minus sine a sec a plus tan a equals to 1. This is your LHS and this is your RHS. By taking a LHS, we will prove a RHS. You can make it both side equal also, but here it is a 1, so we are using a LHS to prove a RHS. We are writing here a LHS here. It is given here sec A 1 minus sine A, and here it is given sec A plus 10. And previously only I have explained it. All the terms you can convert into a sine and cos form. So basically if sine is given, then we will not convert it, but it is given sec A and tan A, so we will convert in the form of sine and cos ratio. Sec we are knowing it, we are writing here as 1 upon cos A, right? Now here nothing is there, means in between it is a multiplication sign, so we will write down in the bracket this way, right? This is your cos A, then we can write down 1 minus sine A, it will be remain as the same. And for here, for a sec A, we will write down 1 upon cos A plus sine A upon cos A, right? This way we have written here because we are knowing all the things. Now what we will do it, though it is in a multiplication, and here we will convert, this is plus sign, so we will find out LCM and then we will write down it. So we'll write down here as usual 1 upon cos A, then second one here 1 minus sine A. Students, be clear, this is in a numerator, not in a denominator. And third one we will find a LCM, so LCM will be your cos A, here 1 plus sine A. Clear? Now what we will do it here, everywhere it is given in a multiplication form, so we will write down in that form that we will multiplication we will do it. So we will first multiply 1 minus sine A and 1 plus sine A, and here this will be the multiplication, it will become a cos square A. So this is A minus B, A plus B, means we are writing here 1 minus sine A, second one 1 plus sine A upon, we can write down cos A into cos A will become a cos square A. Students, it will not become a cos A whole square. Cos A, we will multiply a cos and A will not become a square. It will become only a cos square A. So we are knowing here A minus B, A plus B. So we are getting here 1 minus sine square A, that we are using identity A square minus B square equals to A minus B and A plus B. Clear? So this thing we have used it here, it is given in form of A minus B, A plus B. We have written the same form that we have to write A square minus B square. Here A is 1 and B is sine, so we are writing here 1 minus sine square A upon cos square A. Now you are knowing the identity that 1 minus sine square A is what? Cos square A. We are knowing the identity that, again I am remembering you, that sine square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Then tan square A equals to 1 plus x square A, and cot square A equals to 1 plus cos x square A. Same thing we are using here, that 1 minus sine square A, means we are knowing here cos square A plus sine square A equals to 1. So we get here what? Cos square A equals to 1 minus sine square A. So this one we will write down in place of cos square A. You can write down 1 minus sine square A, or in place of 1 minus sine square A, you can write down cos square A. So I am shifting, replacing here in place of 1 minus sine square a, I am writing here a cos square a. You can write down in place of cos square a 1 minus sine square a also. So vice versa, anything you can write down it. So we have written here. Now what we will do it, equals to. Now we will cut it here. We are getting here a 1. So we are getting answer of 1. What we need it, that is your RHS. So equals to what? RHS. So this is your, from LHS you are proving RHS. Whether you want to prove it LHS RHS equal, then also we can prove it. So in before after that, whatever the sums will come, according to that one we will prove it. Thank you.